I bring innovation to the holidays by using the CNC to make Christmas tree decorations.
Teleportation, so that we could go wherever we want to be with the people we love.
Making the newer high-tech change for tires too. It was so nice.
This year, I try to make my girlfriend some, cool gifts. So I actually printed copper necklaces and rings.
A family voucher for people, say BCIT students that can't get home for the holidays.
I'll make this robot bring a eggnog like this. Thank you very much.